What's up, YouTube, bro? It's your boy NSG's out back in this thing, man. Today the GOAT done dropped, man. About fucking time, nigga. Nigga push this album back again. You know what I'm saying? Cal, better lock you in, bro. I look at this shit started. It's that one. Hold up. This that one. Hey, full glaze warning in the beginning. This my favorite rapper. I don't want to hear it. Glaze coming. No Diddy. No Diddy. Nah, let me not say that. That's kind of Diddy. Fuck it. Is it? Hey, let me chill. I'm glazing. I'm glazing. But this shit really finna be a hit, though. It's a 10 out of 10 already.
When deep in traffic, I know damn
Damn
well
well
I
I
shouldn't
shouldn't
be.
be.
Don't need your
Let me
love, and I
stop.
never needed company. Before you hear me call, I drown in my tears. Cause I lose all my signal when I'm deep in Nolansville. I don't need nobody, phone on co-pilot. Hope these voices in my head go quiet. I fuck the wine winds, understand your chances is blue. Every time I touch a beat, it should be left with a bruise. Aiming for the stars, sometimes I hold my breath before I shoot.
Every time I touch a beat, this bitch be left with a bruise. Alright, let's continue, though.
Every time I touch
Slide.
a beat, it should be left with a bruise. Aiming for the stars, sometimes I hold my breath before I shoot. I feel my heart in all the places that it shouldn't be.
Mm-hmm.
That it
That it
shouldn't
shouldn't
be.
be.
That it shouldn't be.
Alright, now.
Shouldn't be. That it shouldn't
And bruh, no, I didn't listen to the song already, nigga. This was at the end of No Hook. Damn.
be. That it shouldn't be. That it shouldn't be. That it shouldn't be. That it shouldn't be. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. But I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. But I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. My wheels run down the interstate. The rain come from miles away. The same lies got me low on trust. Just one dose, just a
Hey, no glaze. This nigga the best rapper out. Can't count, bruh.
miles away.
No glaze, bruh. No glaze.
My wheels run down the interstate. The rain come from miles away. The same lies got me low on trust. Just one dose, just so I can feel love. Just one dose. Just one dose. Just one dose. Just one dose. Through the coffee smoke in the wooden floors. 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 I put up in the demon and I left in the ghost. It gets so evil in this place I call home. Cut my wrists and paint the walls. Cause no one hear me when I talk.
Man, alright, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride.
When deep in traffic, I know damn well I shouldn't be. Don't need your love and I never needed company.
And these visuals is hard.
Before you hear me call, I drown in my tears. Cause I lose all my signal when I'm deep in Nolansville. I don't need nobody, phone on co-pilot. Hope these voices in my head go quiet. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. But I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami. I wish I could leave my problems inside the heart of the ocean. But I'm afraid I might find them floating on a yacht party in Miami.
Alright, chat. That's a 10 out of 10 song. That's everybody was wondering what a 10 out of 10 look like. That's a 10 out of 10. Now, the niggas pushed the tape back to August, bro. We're not even halfway through July. This nigga soft, bro. Another month pushback. But you know, song 5. Alright.